Welcome to this beginner's push-up video where we'll take you step by step through the fundamentals of this fantastic exercise. Step 1. Proper form. Maintain a straight line from head to heels to ensure good form and avoid straining your back. Step 2. Hand placement. Position your hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart to engage different muscle groups effectively. Step 3. Elbow position. Keep your elbows close to your body rather than flaring them out to the sides to protect your shoulder joints. Step 4. Full range of motion. Lower your chest to the ground or as far as your flexibility allows while keeping good form. Push back up until your arms are fully extended. Step 5. Core engagement. Engage your core muscles throughout the exercise to stabilize your body and maintain proper alignment. Step 6 and the last step. Gradual progression. Start with an appropriate number of repetitions and gradually increase as you build strength, aiming for quality over quantity. By prioritizing form, gradual progression, and overall body engagement, you'll not only maximize the benefits of push-ups, but also reduce the risk of injury, ensuring a sustainable and successful fitness endeavor. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found these steps helpful in improving your push-up technique. Stay motivated, stay fit, and subscribe my channel and share this with your gym bros.